Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fill up traveler declaration when you travel to Maldives. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Maldives official travel declaration. This is also called like Imuga. So here you can go ahead and click on new application, and this is required when you enter or exit the country. So let's say you're traveling to Maldives. So first step is like you can upload the photo of your passport. Passport or biodata page. So it will, this is just to get the details and it's gonna populate in the further screens. But you can skip it all together and then you can fill it up yourself. So just because I don't wanna put my confidential details, and the details that you see are absolutely sample. I'll just put just sample guys. I won't be submitting it. Date of birth, any date, passport number, expiry, expiry date. So I move it to country of residence. Let me see if I can skip these two. On a phone number and these two are valid. So I'm just gonna put something that does not exist. Okay, now I have to, this is the final stage. So this is second port of entry, date of arrival. I think you need to do within 96 hours. So I'll just go for this, but I'm not sure about that with like within how much time you need to do. I'm just selecting this. Check that and then you do. Flight number, duration of stay as per your case, country of departure, PNR, sample, next destination after Maldives, resort island where you'll be staying, guest house where you'll be staying, a member of Maldives. Oh, they have all registered it. Wow, that's good. Enroll as a member. I select no. No. Have you visited or traveled yellow for anyone in the past 6 days? I select no. Next is gonna review and submit. So I'm not gonna go there. So this is how it works, guys. And I hope you got an idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.